Hello, bonjour! Today I will teach you how to cook a spaghetti squash. I remember when I was cooking them in the oven, it was such a mess. It took so long. So I steam it instead of baking it. And you guessed it, I keep more nutrients that way, of course. Let's start. I have here my pot with the basket on top. You know, the ones with all the holes like this, so we can steam. And we will steam it for 8 minutes. While it's cooking, I want to clear the confusion around carbs. There are complex carbs and simple carbs. Pasta made with flour is simple carbs. It's sugar. Spaghetti squash or pasta made with spaghetti squash, in a sense, it's complex carbs. And complex carbs have nutrients, fiber. There's no fiber in flour. It has fiber. And it also digests slowly, so you feel satiated longer. Weight management, anyone? That's the key. So you're eating a low calorie, a low glycemic index vegetable. It's high density in terms of nutrient, but it's low in calorie. Isn't it what we want? Okay, so now it's ready. Let me show you how to cut it. Because now that it has steamed, we can more easily cut it. Let me start somewhere here. So you see my knife is going through. Just make sure you don't cut through this part here, which I'm going right into it. There we go. Now it's open. Take a knife like this with the little teeth, and you can take out the seeds here inside. There we go. And now that I took out the seeds, we put it back face down. And we steam it for another 5 minutes. And it's ready. So the trick that I have to take it out is I use 2 dish rag like this. And I use one to hold the squash, so it's not too hot for my hands. If you take out the strand going this way rather than this way, you will have a longer strand in the end. There we go. See how beautiful that is? I need to have 200 grams. I want to show you something. No, I have to keep going. There we go, I got it. This is 200 grams of spaghetti squash. This is 200 grams of pasta. It's 54 calories spaghetti squash and 308 the pasta. Which one would you rather have? And this one is going to give you more satiety longer. Imagine that. So easy to choose, right? And in the spaghetti squash, you have 13 grams of carbs, complex carbs. And in the flour pasta, you have 72 grams of simple carbs, which are sugar. Remember. And now I will show you how to make a beautiful plate with that spaghetti squash. Stay with me. So we have our spaghetti squash here. There we go. Let's put it all on the plate. Then I have some broccoli that I steamed just a little bit. And then I have some bell peppers that are diced for the color. And I have some green onions. I have my bechamel. Remember, I taught you the bechamel? So we put some bechamel on top. That looks so delicious. Now I'm going to add a little bit more color. Here, little cherry tomatoes. And if you add hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts will give you 3 grams of protein on top of the protein that you have already in the dish from the sauce. Remember, the bechamel has all the protein. And here we have a beautiful dish made in no time. No mess, no baking, no cooking for an hour. Low glycemic index, low calorie, high in fiber, high in vitamins. Perfect for your health, for your microbiome. Enjoy. Love food that loves you back. And please leave a comment. Let me know how it turns out for you.